going on, YouTube? So the first thing you see is this Manscaped. It's for the guys out there, man. Y'all don't want no bushwood bill, you know what I'm saying? That's not what you need. It's the lawnmower 3.0. You got the deodorant for your man parts right there. You don't want to be stank. Yes, sir. I guess these supposed to keep your thing smelling fresh, you know. If you guys are working out, you know, you can get stank down there. It's for the booger boys out there. Nose hair trimmer. Weed whacker. It's my first time using any of this stuff, so I'll be sure to let y'all know. I guess I missed some stuff when I was recording the first time. But here's a little written thank you message. The lawnmower comes with extra stuff. Here we go. A pack of pants, boxer briefs, a nice leather bag. Alright, packaging. Thanks. Oh yeah, this is... You're supposed to put this on the ground so when you are using your lawnmower, you don't get hair all over the place. So, it's a pretty cool addition. No concourse. GMP. Y'all know nothing about that right there. I just want to let everybody know, well not everybody, but the guys know, that this month right here is the truth, but definitely recommend 10 times, 10 out of 10. I'll show y'all, see. Psych, I'm just playing. But I definitely recommend. I didn't try the other stuff, but Manscaped.com. I'm not even getting paid for this review, so yeah. For the guys out there looking out.